Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into cyber fundamentals with 7 crucial tips to keep you safe online. Being aware of online threats is more important than ever. I'll break down simple steps to protect your data. So, let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk passwords. Using the same simple password for every account is a recipe for disaster. A strong password is like a lock on your front door. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Try a passphrase or a password manager. Next up, two-factor authentication. It's a game changer for online security. Like having a security guard at your door, you'll need a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone. This makes it harder for hackers to get in. Most services offer this feature now, so no excuse not to use it. Let's talk phishing scams. These are becoming increasingly common and sophisticated. Those emails claiming you've won a prize or need to verify your account urgently? Yeah, those are often phishing attempts. They're designed to trick you into giving away personal information. Legitimate companies never ask for sensitive info via email. Be cautious about clicking links or downloading attachments. If something feels off, it probably is. Public Wi-Fi is convenient, I get it, but it's also a breeding ground for hackers. When you're connected to a public Wi-Fi network, your data is basically up for grabs. Avoid doing any sensitive transactions, like online banking or shopping, while connected to public Wi-Fi. If you absolutely must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, creating a secure tunnel for your data and making it much harder for hackers to intercept your information. Think of it as a disguise for your online activity. Software updates. I know they can be annoying, but they're crucial for your online security. Think of software updates like regular maintenance for your digital devices. They often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities hackers could exploit. I always recommend setting your devices and apps to update automatically. This ensures you're always running the latest, most secure versions without even thinking about it. It's a simple step, but it goes a long way in protecting you from known threats. We live in the age of social media, and it's easy to get caught up in sharing our lives online. But it's important to be mindful of how much personal information we're putting out there. Be cautious about what you share publicly on social media. Avoid sharing sensitive details like your home address, phone number, or financial information. Remember, once something is online, it's tough to completely erase it. Always review the privacy settings on your social media accounts and choose who can see your posts and information. Let's talk antivirus software. It's like a bodyguard for your devices. It detects and removes malware, protecting your data. Choose one that suits your needs. Keep it updated and run regular scans. Install an antivirus today and browse safely. In summary, following these 7 tips can greatly enhance your online security. Stay informed and stay protected. The internet can be a wonderful place, but it's important to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect yourself. By implementing these simple yet effective strategies, you can browse with confidence, knowing that you're doing your part to stay safe online. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tips and tricks.